G'day lovelies, welcome back. Tonight we're reviewing these Anko footed candy bowls. I bought them from Kmart online for $4 each. Now when I first pulled them out the box, I thought, oh great, here we go, stickers. I was absolutely wrapped. They come off really easy without leaving a mark. When I was washing them, I filled them up with water to see how much they would hold. And they hold 1.25 litres. So 1 litre and 1 cup. So I bought 2 family packs of Allen's lollies because I wanted to see how much they would hold. Incredibly, I put both packets in. Handful of party mix, handful of snakes. Handful of party mix, handful of snakes. And when I put them in, I just threw them in loosely. I didn't pack it down hard, and they fit in there easy with room. So I'm guessing you could probably put a kilo of lollies in there, no problems. So I get a large piece of cellophane, put the candy bowl in the middle, you grab the corners of the cellophane and bring them up over the bowl, tuck in all the rest of it to make it look neat, scrunch it in the middle, get a piece of sticky tape and put it around it to hold it in place. Then you can get your long pieces of ribbon and tie them all off in different ways. Now I only had pink ribbon left over from the Mother's Day video. So traditionally at Christmas time you would want to get red metallic, green metallic and either yellow or gold. And that there is an absolutely fantastic gift. And then of course you can put different things in them for presents. So Rose's chocolates, if you're filling with them, I would have done the ribbon in black and it would just look stunning. Ferrero Rochers, oh my god mate. It would probably cost you about $60 to fill it, but what a present. And the other really nice one are the Lindt round ball chocolates. That would look absolutely stunning in them as a present too. These candy bowls would also be great filled with mixed nuts and of course small trifles. Each candy bowl serves 4. If you're interested in making these absolutely scrummy pavlova trifles, I'll go through the ingredients now, but down below the video in the description, I will write the recipe and how to make them. So to make the pavlova trifles, you will need 3 footed candy bowls. Now you can buy these candy bowls all year round, and I will be doing a lot more things with them down the track. So once you've got your 3 candy bowls, you're going to need 1 pre-made pavlova base. I bought a Coles one, they're on special this week for $7. You're going to need 3 medium bananas, 3 kiwi fruits, and 1.5 punnets of strawberries. 1 small tin of passionfruit pulp, or you can buy 4 passionfruit, which are absolutely ridiculously priced at the moment. Then you're going to need a 600 ml of thickened cream. You want to whip that up with 1/4 cup of icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the star of the show, you're going to need a 600 gram tub of Paul's Original Bailey's Thick Custard. IGA have got them going out on special this week for $6 and it's absolutely beautiful. Well, there you have it lovelies, the Anko $4 footed candy bowl. They're absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Have yourselves a great night. Stay safe out there and I'll see you soon. Toodles.